It's Todd Penz with Subaru of Rochester, and today was an exciting day as we partnered with Subaru Loves to Learn and delivered 18 backpacks full of school supplies and school kits to Ben Franklin Elementary School.
All right, so who was your favorite teacher and what is your favorite memory with them?
My favorite teacher was Miss Larson, and she was my kindergarten teacher. And my favorite memory I have of her is when we did a shadow of our portrait, and she outlined my face. And I have a big book of all the memories from kindergarten, and that was my favorite thing that I remember.
Specifically remember starting every morning out with like a half hour of her reading out loud through an entire book series. And I noticed it made all of us very comfortable. It's like almost like being in a living room, but you're in the classroom. So you started out your day with comfort, and then you were kind of eased into learning after that. And it definitely developed a love for reading and for storytelling.